We will now discuss about lookup and reference functions. One of the commonly used lookup and reference function is VLOOKUP. Let's take a look at a small scenario. We have a product details page where we store the list of products and their prices. And we have a sales page where we store information about each purchase. That would be information about the customer who purchased the product and in what quantity. We would like to calculate the total price of each sale by multiplying the quantity of each product by its price. But the price of each product is stored in the product details page. We don't want to manually search for the price of each product. That's where VLOOKUP comes into play. VLOOKUP is used to search for a value in a range and return a corresponding value from a different column. We would like to apply a formula to look for a value in column B, say a keyboard, and return the corresponding value in column C, which is its price. The syntax of a VLOOKUP function looks like this. The first argument is the value we are looking for, which in this case is keyboard. The second argument is the table we are searching in. So in this case, our table will be the range B to C. The reason we're not selecting the entire table from A to C is because the value we are looking for must be present in the first column of our table. The entire table from A to C will not work as the value we are looking for is in column B. So we must use the range B to C. The third argument is the column from where the value is returned. In our case, column C. But VLOOKUP does not like column names for this argument. So we must specify the number of the column from the range. Our range is B to C, so B is the first column and C is the second column. In this case, since we want to return the price, our column index number would be 2 for C. Our formula in this case is VLOOKUP, look for the word keyboard in the range B to C, and return the corresponding value from the second column. Let's look at another quick example. We now have a description and category for each product. To get the description of keyboard, we would use the formula VLOOKUP, look for the word keyboard in the range B to D, and return value from the third column. There is something tricky here. There is also a fourth argument called approximate match, and it is set to true by default. That means if the value you're looking for is not available, it will return the closest match. This may lead to unwanted result in most cases. To avoid this, set this parameter to false so VLOOKUP looks for an exact match. Head over to exercises and try your hands on VLOOKUP.